Mending Bonds, a guide to apologizing to your mom.
Hello everyone. Today we're discussing a topic that touches many of our lives: how to make amends with a loved one, specifically, how to apologize to your mom. We all make mistakes, but it's important to acknowledge them and take steps towards reconciliation. The process involves sincerity, empathy, action, and time.
Why is your apology important?
Apologies are a crucial part of maintaining healthy relationships. They acknowledge that a mistake was made and express regret for any harm caused. It shows your mom that you respect her feelings and are willing to take responsibility for your actions. An effective apology can be a powerful tool for mending and strengthening your relationship.
How to prepare for an apology.
Before rushing to apologize, it's important to understand why your mom was hurt by your actions. This involves introspection and understanding her perspective. Take time to reflect on your actions, how they affected her, and why you did what you did. The better you understand your actions and their impact, the more sincere your apology will be.
What to say when apologizing?
An effective apology should express regret, take responsibility, and offer a solution or promise of change. Avoid phrases like, "if I hurt you," that put the onus on the other person's feelings. Instead, say something like, "I'm sorry for what I did. I understand that it hurt you and I regret causing you pain." Make sure to articulate your plan to avoid repeating the mistake in the future.
How to show sincerity in your apology.
Sincerity is key. Empty words won't heal wounds. Show your mom you mean it by expressing your apology in a way that she would appreciate. This could be a heartfelt letter, a personal conversation, or through actions that demonstrate your contrition. Remember, it's not just about saying sorry, but showing that you're sorry.
How to act after an apology.
After you've apologized, give her some time and space to process. Respect her feelings and give her the opportunity to respond when she's ready. Moving forward, it's crucial to keep your promises and show through your actions that you've learned from your mistakes. Consistent behavior over time is the best way to demonstrate your sincerity and regain trust. Repairing a relationship takes time, understanding, and patience. It's about more than just saying the right words. It's about demonstrating through your actions that you're committed to change. Keep communication open, be patient with yourself and with her, and remember that it's okay to seek professional help if needed. Remember, a sincere apology is the first step on the journey to reconciliation. Thanks for watching, and here's to mending and strengthening our relationships.